Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to track Temu delivery order updates. So first thing first, make sure that you are logged into your specific Temu account. You will see a page like this. Now if you would like to track your order, whether that be your delivery or shipping, first of all select Use section on your bottom right. As you do that, you will see your orders at the first button. Go ahead and open it. You will see all orders. And if you have placed any orders, you will see it at this page right here. In case your order is on processing, select the processing tab. If it's already shipped, you may go ahead and check all of these if you would like, but even so, under all orders, you will see all of them. For example, if you cannot find your orders, what you can do is select Can't Find Orders, and let's go ahead and select this self-service to find orders. As you do that, you may go ahead, enter your phone number and select Find Orders. If your phone number has not been linked yet, you may also confirm with your order ID. Simply go ahead, paste your order ID, select Find Orders, and you will know the status of it, if it has been delivered, shipped, or if it's under processing.